I am Nahush PN.
My name is Pradyun Gowda.
I'm Neil.
Hi guys, my name is Nikhil Mbai.
Hi guys, my name is Navadi.
We, the students of New Horizon College of Engineering, are here to address regarding a diamond is merely a lump of coal that did extremely well under tremendous pressure. Known that the diamond cannot be made in a single day, a diamond is a polished version of something. The things get polished or more qualitative only under pressure. A coal, when subjected to a pressure, forms a diamond, but both are carbon itself. Well, this is just a metaphor that has been used to demonstrate the fact that a lump of coal doesn't have a potential to attract everyone. Besides, it is not so precious as that of diamond. However, a diamond is created only under such pressures. In the same way, we can relate this to our life. You might not be successful in a day, but your hard work and determination could lead you to be a diamond. Here's an illustration. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former president of India, perhaps the rarest gem India has ever produced. Kalam was born to the poor family and rose to the highest office to the country. Till the last day in the office, he used to work for the poor sectors of the country because he knew the pain of being poor. As mentioned above, Kalam was poor. He used to distribute the newspapers after his school hours. He was inspired by his faculties to pursue mathematics and physics. Till the last day, he didn't forget the gratitude towards his faculties, which motivated him to become the first citizen of the country. He was also known as Missile Man of India. In the above, we found Kalam was born to the poor parents. He was a coal among others, but his hard work and consistency made him and polished him to be a diamond.
Each and every one of us is as special as diamond, but we have to start from the bottom, that is coal, and pressure, challenges and corrections help us come to the top and help us to be successful. It is said that most of us are ruined by praise than being saved by criticism. Each and every one of us can do well if we put enough hard work and if we stay patient and consistent. Let us take an example. If you like a sport and you are actually bad at playing the sport, but you want to be good at it, then you have to keep practicing. There has to be consistency and patience, and it is going to take time. But it is after that that you become, if you don't even be the best at the sport, you start playing the sport a little bit better than the way you started. So each and every one of us has to undergo tremendous pressure in our lives so that we can be successful. As diamond undergoes pressure to be transformed from coal, in the same way, if we have to be successful, even we need pressure, challenges, and many other things that help us to be successful.
As we all know that pressure plays a vital role in changing coal into diamond. In our daily life, pressure plays an important role in changing and building our character. All humans got equal opportunities, but many fail due to their inability to handle pressures. Even great leaders like Swami Vivekananda, Vishweshwaraya and Modi ji got many resistance, but they use this resistance to build themselves. If you got this character of diamond to handle pressure, definitely we are going to shine and do miracles.
The quote means that each and everyone is special as diamond. We are shaped and molded by people we are and the way we change due to the teachings of the life. Just the way pressure is needed to transform a piece of coal into a diamond, we also require pressure for our transformation. Each and every human is precious and unique. From transformation of coal to diamond, we need to go through intense pressure, which we have to bear with patience. The result will always be fruitful.
Today I am going to be sharing my thoughts on the topic. A diamond is merely a lump of coal which did extremely well under tremendous pressure. I believe when someone feels entitled to something in life, that person never takes risks. When you don't take risks, you are in a comfort zone, and a comfort zone is a place where nothing grows. Successful people are those who take risks who are part of extremely high pressure situations, and the way they react to these situations define them. So let me give you a simple analogy over here. I'll compare coal to common people who have all the abilities and potential to become a diamond, and diamonds to successful people who had the same abilities and potential. They put in the hard work, they pushed the limits, and they became diamond eventually. So what I'm trying to say is coal and diamond are basically carbon, but the latter sets itself apart from the former because of the gruesome process it went through. In the same manner, successful people stick to their process. They put in the hard work, they have patience, determination, and most importantly, they do not break under pressure, which will eventually guarantee them success in life. For a fact, a crude diamond is worth lot less than a cut diamond. So I would like to refer to cuts on a diamond to failures in one's life. Yes, failures bring us down, but they teach us lessons which will make us better versions of ourselves. So I believe failures are an important part to success in life. So the topic, a diamond is merely a lump of coal which did extremely well under tremendous pressure, can also be rephrased as a successful man or woman is just a common man or woman who did extremely well under tremendous pressure. Thank you.